Least count. The smallest value that can be measured by an instrument is called least count. An ordinary scale least count is 1 millimeter. In case of vernier calipers, least count of vernier calipers LC is equals to 1 main scale division by number of vernier scale divisions. In vernier calipers, 1 main scale division equals to 1 millimeter by number of vernier scale divisions is 10. Therefore, the least count of vernier calipers is equals to 0.1 millimeter. Some concepts related to error: arithmetic mean, absolute error, mean absolute error, relative error, percentage error. Arithmetic mean, A mean. The ratio of sum of observations to the number of observations is called arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is equals to sum of observation by number of observations. A mean, that is arithmetic mean, is equals to sum of observations A1 plus A2 plus so on plus AN by number of observation N. Absolute error. Modulus of delta AI. The magnitude of difference between mean value and individual measured value is called absolute error. Modulus of delta A1 is equals to modulus of A mean minus A1. Modulus of delta A2 is equals to modulus of A mean minus A2, and so on. Modulus of delta AN is equals to modulus of A mean minus AN. Mean absolute error, delta A mean. Mean of all absolute errors is called mean absolute error. Therefore, delta A mean is equals to modulus of delta A1 plus modulus of delta A2 up to so on divided by small n. It is always positive. Relative error. The ratio of mean absolute error to the mean value is called relative error. Relative error is equals to delta A mean by A mean. Percentage error. The product of relative error and 100 is called percentage error. Percentage error is equals to relative error into 100. Relative error and percentage error give measurement of accuracy. That is, if percentage error increases, accuracy decreases. Let us solve a problem. 3 measurements of the time for 20 oscillations of a pendulum are T1 equals to 39.6 seconds, T2 equals to 39.9 seconds, and T3 equals to 39.5 seconds. What is the precision in the measurement? What is the accuracy of the measurements? Given that time for 20 oscillation T1 equals to 39.6 seconds, T2 equals to 39.9 seconds, T3 equals to 39.5 seconds. Let us find out arithmetic mean, A mean. T is equals to T1 plus T2 plus T3 by 3 is equals to 39.6 plus 39.9 plus 39.5 by 3 is equals to 39.66, which is approximately equals to 39.67 seconds. So arithmetic mean in time is 39.67 seconds. That is T mean is equals to 39.67 seconds. Absolute error. Delta T1 equals to T1 minus T is equals to modulus of 39.6 minus 39.7 is equals to 0.1 second. Delta T2 is equals to modulus of T2 minus T equals to 39.9 minus 39.7 is equals to 0.2 seconds. Delta T3 equals to modulus of T3 minus T is equals to modulus of 39.5 minus 39.7 is equals to 0.2 seconds. Therefore, precision values in the each measurement are 0.1 second, 0.2 seconds, 0.2 seconds. Now mean absolute error, that is mean error, delta t equals to delta t1 plus delta t2 plus delta t3 by 3 is equals to 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 by 3 is equals to 0.166, approximately 0.2 seconds. Relative error, delta a mean by a mean, that is 0.2 by 39.7 is equals to 0.005. And last, percentage error, relative error into 100 equals to 0.005 into 100 equals to 0.5%. The accuracy of the measurements is up to 0.5%.